Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine and safe. Today, I am going to teach you the lab topic of the food. Class 4, subject science. Balanced diet. What is balanced diet? The food we take in a right amount, in a proper time, is called balanced diet. And balanced diet is very important for our body to fit and stay healthy. During to age-wise, these balanced diet are required, such as a growing child or a sport boy. They need a lots of proteins to grow properly, to play properly, to get stamina to their body. So we can say that balanced diet is very important role in our life. We should follow it. After then we are discuss about cooking food. Cooking food. We know that some of the fruits and even vegetables we are eaten raw, like carrot, radish, apple, etc. But some of the vegetables we are cooked, then we eat, like brinjal, potato, etc. What is the need of cooking food? Cooking food make the food tasty and delicious, and also it makes it soft and easy to digestible. After then, we are discuss about food preservation. Food preservation. If the food is in contact of moisture, it gets spoiled quickly. Then there is a need to protect our food. Then there are some process, some steps. If we are follow, then surely we are protect our food. The process are, or steps are, first one is boiling. Boiling. We see that your mother boils the milk. Why your mother boils the milk? When your mother boils the milk, all the germs present in it, they are die, and it is safe to use for a longer time. That means 4 or 6 hours, not in a whole day. You see it? When we use a water, First we boil the water. Whatever the germs, bacteria present in it, they are died, and it is safe for use, and it is stay for 6, 7, 8 hours, and it is safe. Second one is after boiling. Second one is freezing. Student, you see that your father brought some fruits, vegetables from the market. When your father reached at your home, your mother first washes these fruits and vegetables, and after washes, it is stored in a refrigerator. Why? Because in refrigerator, the low temperature stop the bacteria or germs to grow rapidly, and it is, we can say that it is safe for 3 or 4 days, even 1 week for our use. Third point is after freezing we can say that canning. Now what we say, most of the items, food particles items, they are packed in a can, and it is safe for a long time. The expiry date is written on the can, 6 month, 3 month, 4 month. How it is possible? It is possible before it is packed, all the moisturization should be dried from these food particles, left from these food particles. Then it is packed in a can. After that, we are discuss about drying. You see that the green chilies are collected by your mother and spread it in the roof for a long time in the sunlight. What happened? All the moisturization, that means drying means dehydration, all the moisturization which is present in this chili is over, and it is stored for a long time, and we can use for a long time. The fifth point is, and the last point is, adding preservatives. Adding preservatives. You see that when your mothers made a pickle, whatever it is, chili, lemon, mango, you see that your mother added some spices like salt, oil, etc. in jam, sugar. Why we add this? After dehydration, if we add this one, then your food is safe for a long time. Just like when your mother made a pickle of mango at home, you use it for 6 months or maybe 7, 8, 9 or 1 year. Now, today we are discussing about balanced diet, cooking food, and what are the food preservation, what are the process, steps, method used for preservatives of food. Already discussed. Now this chapter is complete. Now the time is for home assignment. Thank you.